Hi, we are about to go out. I have two pairs of sweatpants on. She has her snowsuit. I got my hat underneath my hoodie and a sweatshirt. I'm gonna put my gloves I just bought and a winter jacket. So we're about to go out in the blizzard. Oh. Okay, where are you? You need to come over this
right
side.
Here.
Oh my word.
I just got a snowflake up my nose.
I'd say we got about 12 inches.
You can't walk into the snow.
I think we're going in the wrong direction.
I think so too. We're going to be so wet and snowballed.
Oh my gosh, the wind is like 40 miles an hour right now. We're turning into Eskimos.
Oh my
It's snowing like half
Look at
2 inches an hour.
It's sticking to me.
Yes, we're just going around the small block.
Yeah, I think so.
My brain's frozen.
Wow.
Is there a car?
There was. It's going by.
Oh, it's a snowplow.
Yeah, it's going by.
I should have brought the selfie stick.
Oh, I know.
That way my hand wouldn't freeze. I'd say we got, what, 10 inches?
Probably, yeah.
It's hard to tell because the wind, I mean,
Yeah.
there's freaking snow drifts that are 25 inches deep.
Yeah, no kidding.
Ugh.
The one right by my car came up to my knee. Just about.
Woo! It's a little nippy.
Is this what winter is? Oh.
Yes, welcome to Massachusetts.
Yay!
Okay then.
Oops.
See right there? That looks like...
Like stuck to your eyebrows.
Let me pull my hat down. Where is my freaking hat? Ah! 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 I'm sorry, I can't do a camera much more.
Yeah.
Much more. Much more. Ah! 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 I have the S8, which is waterproof, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, thank goodness for that.
You can't even freaking see in front of you.
I think I have snow in my boots.
I have snow in my boobs.
Oh,
Can I say that?
I just did.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, this sucks. See ya. Okay. Look at it. It is a sheer blizzard out here. We are not walking into the wind right now.
Yes.
We're walking side to the wind. Let me stop and show you how much it's still snowing. It's like crazy mad snow.
Yes.
That was a close-up. Oh boy, look at the... You can't even see the end of the street. Hold on, I gotta zoom up. That wind's... Oh, I hope there's no fire today. Oh my goodness, you can't even see the end of the street.
It'll spread like crazy if that's the case. It's windy, so windy.
I'd hate to have to find the fire hydrant.
Oh, I know.
I gotta show you, this is one of my favorite houses because of the sign.
That's awesome.
I love their sign. But that's the best.
Oh, jeez, there's a car right there. Whew, scared me.
Have fun driving. I'm an Uber driver and I'm not driving today. Yes, I smell... Oh, it's from that chimney over there? No. I don't know.
I don't know either.
That doesn't smell like fireplace smoke.
No, it doesn't.
That smells like house fire smoke.
I know. That's not good.
I hear a car. Hey, there's a fire hydrant.
Yes! Should I pee on it like Nessa does?
Yeah. When we get home, I'm going to take
Maybe not.
Nessa out real quick.
That's probably a good idea.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Dingleberries. Oops.
Okay, time to get my phone up.
Becca. Are you videoing?
I am.
Oh boy,
Look at the snow. It's
we're in
crazy.
trouble. Ugh.
Oh my goodness, don't fall.
My phone's all wet.
Mine's getting there too.
You can't even see CVS.
No, I know. It's over there somewhere, but
Yes.
I see it.
Whew. The good thing is my car doesn't need to be blown off, or snowed up, brushed off.
Brushed off, yeah.
Yeah, because the wind did it for me.
Look at the snow. It's freaking unreal.
Where? Go stand over there. Go. I'll take a video. Wait, hold on. My phone's getting wet. Hold on, I gotta brush off my phone. Okay. Oh, it made it even more. Good thing my phone's waterproof.
Yeah.
All right. Ready? You know what? I have a crack in my phone. Whoa.
This is a good day for walking though because there's no traffic.
Yes. But
Nobody is just
going a half a mile like we're going,
Yeah.
you're gonna be sore from that.
Well, I'm gonna be sore. I'll just be frozen.
Frozen?
My face is at least. The rest of me's fine. It's just my face is cold. But I'll live.
Alrighty then. We having fun yet?